This drill includes a setup move prior to the shot, reinforcing quick hands and quick release. The player executes one quick stick handle and quickly snaps the puck on goal. Similar to the wrist shot and snapshot, the grip tightens as the puck is propelled with a snap of the wrists. In one motion, the top hand snaps forward towards the body while the wrist is extended. The bottom wrist flexes and whips the stick towards the target. Puck is shot from in front of the player's body, meaning the shot will not have as much power, but if executed properly, will not allow the goalie time to set up for the shot.